So what's up mga kaboski? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, no, and for today's vlog. So kasama natin si Sir Mark from The Spider, no. So
Magandang umaga.
Sir Mark, good morning.
Good morning, sir. Magandang umaga.
So Sir Mark, good morning. Isang tanong ko lang po, no. So meron tayong binubuong partnership with
Yes.
GCPH, no. Sir Mark, ang tanong ko lang bakit si GCPH o si Gixxer Club of the Philippines yung napili natin bilang partnership sa Spider Philippines po, no?
Magandang tanong yan at napakadaling sagutin. No? Dahil kami sa Spider, naghahanap kami ng select clubs to support and
Yes.
partner with. And yung hinahanap namin na select clubs has a good reputation, rides properly, nakaka-contribute positively sa motorcycle riding community. And of course, makakatulong na malaki sila para widespread hanggang Mindanao, Visayas, and Luzon ang abot, nationwide coverage. But most importantly, each individual rider actually represents the core value of the whole.
Yes.
In which case, nakita namin na ang GCPH, the Gixxer Club of the Philippines, has those values na nagre-reflect also sa values ng Spider, which is basically integrity, safe riding, taking responsibility, and making sure na every ride nakakauwi sa pamilya,
Tama, sir.
which is what Spider Motorcycle Helmets is all about, safety.
Yes, sir. Yun. Thank you, Sir Mark. No? Actually, sir, no, since 2013, I'm using Spider.
Naku, maraming salamat, sir. Thank you so
Simula
much.
pa lang sa sir nung wave motor ko, no, talagang
Talaga?
Spider na talaga yung napili ko, no.
Thank you so much.
Medyo makabayan ako kasi alam ko, tama si Spider, sir, is from the Philippines.
It's
sir, no?
homemade. This is
Yes,
the
sir,
Philippines.
no? So, yun, thank you, Sir Mark, and hopefully marami pa tayong magiging partnership, marami pa tayong mga rides magkasama. No?
Yes, sir, definitely.
And yun, sir, promote mo yung next event ninyo for the
Oh,
Spider.
yeah. Hope to see you all sa Makina. We'll be showcasing our newest, best products this coming Makina Moto Expo at SMX MOA. I believe it's April 10 to 12. So, see you all there and hope to show to you lahat ng aming mga discounts, promos on new products, older products. One particular na gusto ko ikwento is meron kaming bago, kaka-launch lang namin in a previous event, Ghost Fighter series
yes.
namin.
Mga batang 90s dyan.
Mga batang 90s yan,
Oo.
this is for you.
Alright.
Shout out sa mga batang 90s.
Yes,
So, if mahilig kayo nung bata kayo manood or even nung tumanda kayo, mahilig kayo manood ng Ghost Fighter, si Yu Yu Hakusho, sila Toguro, si Hiei, and all the other guys dun sa cartoon na yon. This one's for you. Please check out yung mga helmets na pinopromote namin regarding the Ghost Fighter. I think you love it. We think that perfect to para sa mga katulad ninyo, mga 90s boys.
Yes, sir. Yun, maraming salamat mga kaboski, no? Bago magtawa siguro sabihin natin yung Taguro, no? Tapusin!
Tapusin!
Perfect! Thank you so much.
Maraming salamat, pare
Thank you
ko.
so much.
Thank you so much.
Good morning, sir.
God bless you all, guys.